Static files application _ readable usage. I've been trying to understand how the application _ readable static URL handler field works. I'm using SDK version 1.7.7 and I've set this to true on an application in my dev environment, but I can't seem to actually read the file. But none of those work. Though the file definitely exists. Can anyone tell me what I'm doing wrong? I haven't been able to find any documentation or example code for this beyond the brief description in the status URL handler docs and the mention in the Appengine SDK 1.7.6 changelog. Is there a utility class that provides access to these files, or am I completely misinterpreting what application _ readable is actually supposed to do?
Overview. It's somewhat difficult to reason about what exactly is going on your system, but I can tell you what works on mine. We can speculate all day about what could be wrong, but implementing something that works and working backwards is usually more productive than guessing. It could be anything. If I were to guess, I'd say that the problem is incorrect handler order, screwed up Python paths, screwed up Python versions, using a janky old SDK, underpants noms. If, instead of guessing, you implement the project I've outlined below, it should be pretty simple to reason backward and find out why it's not working for you. If this project doesn't work, you've got some work to do. The problem's really nasty, and I don't want to help you fix it. If it does work, you're in luck, since you're 5 or 10 minutes away from having the rest of your code working too. Using the latest Python Appengine SDK from this URL. Project files and their contents. Directory setup. app.py. app.py is the automatically compiled version of this file. app.yaml. static/hide.txt. What happens? Start the web server from the project root. You might have to use a different port number. It's no big deal. Just adjust the instructions that follow for the one you choose. Visiting http://localhost/ in the browser. HTTP response. Browser output. Hello, web app world. Ezra can see this text fine. I'm not sure why you can't. Hi. Visiting http:// index.txt in the browser. HTTP response. Browser output. Ezra can see this text fine. I'm not sure why you can't. Hi. Breaking it. If I remove the application_readable column true line from app.yml, visiting http://localhost/ in the browser. HTTP response. Browser output. "500 internal server error. The server has either erred or is incapable of performing the requested operation." What to do next? Hopefully you can work backwards from this example. If it doesn't work for you, you're doomed. Enjoy spending a sunny mid-May afternoon trawling through paths and trying to uninstall things to get this frickin' thing going. The list at the top is a list of I'd try, without knowing any specifics and having ruled out programming error. Good luck.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.